Are you a realtor tired of listing homes that just won't sell? Let's face it, first impressions matter, and a clean home can make all the difference. Enter TidyTex Home Cleaning, your go-to solution for transforming properties into show-stopping sales. As a veteran-owned business, we take pride in our commitment to excellence and reliability. Our professional cleaning services are designed to help you prepare homes for sale, improve property showings, and close deals faster than ever. We understand the urgency of quick turnarounds, especially before open houses or buyer visits. Our team is here to make your listings shine. Here's a quick tidy tip for realtors. To enhance your home's appeal at little to no cost, open all the blinds and turn on lights before a showing. A well-lit space creates a welcoming atmosphere and highlights the home's best features. With TidyTex, you're not just getting a cleaning service, you're investing in the success of your property listings. Ready to elevate your home selling game? Check the video description for more details and contact us today to get started.